Hello, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 27 August 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is this keyword and static keyword in Java. So I have discussed about the static keywords and these keywords in Java before we are going to the constructor. So what is mean by constructor? Constructor is a method of block of code of method. It is called as constructor. There are two types of constructor we are using in Java. First of all, default constructor, and second of all, parameterized constructor. So default constructor, it means we do not pass the any value in the constructor. It is a default constructor. And parameterized constructor, it means we have passed the specific value. It's like int x is equal to int suppose int x, and we have initialized the x is equal to 10. So it is a parameterized constructor. So we have discussed about the these keywords. So what is mean by these keywords? These keywords, it means we are using the these keywords is a this keyword is a it is a reference variables, and it refers to the current class objects. It's called as these keywords. So what is the we are using the these keywords in Java is mostly using this keyword because of it is a refers to reference variable. It is the actual reference variable, but it can refers to the refers to the current class objects. So now what is the we are using the these keywords. We have take the example for using the these keywords. Like suppose we have create the class name is a test, and we have put the variables instant variables int I is equal to I semicolon complete, and then we have create the set value methods, and in that method we have pass the value pass the parameter like int x, and then we have create the display method, this show methods, and in that show methods we have SOP, we have the print suppose hello, and then we have create the main method, and we have to call the objects test t is equal to new test, and we have then call the methods test t dot show, and then the provided output is provided to hello. But we are using the instant variables is a instant variables. We have parameterized the variables like int I is equal to 10, and I is equal to 10, but in that case we are using the we are not using the these keywords, and in that scenario instant variables and local variables are the name is same. So it is not possible to output provided to instant variable and same instant variable and local variable are same name is not possible to output provided and to instant variable are putting in this method. So we can use the this keyword, and you can use the this keyword, and we have output provided to the we are using the instant variables int I is equal to suppose 10 and then 20 we have provided to output, and there are various types of uses in these keywords. First of all, this keyword we are using the refer to instant variables, and then second use of this keyword may be used mostly used in to to uh, to call the methods by using these keywords, and then third use we are using the this keyword to call the constructor by using these keywords, and then fourth upon we are passing the arguments and to call the methods. It is a fourth use of this keyword, and then fifth use of this keyword, it is the to pass the argument and to call the constructor. It is a fifth use of this keyword, and then sixth use of this keyword, we are using the we have written the any value written the instant variable from the method. So it is a sixth use of these keywords. And then next upon static keywords. So what is mean by static keywords? So static keyword is mostly used in Java. So static keyword is it is a reference variable, but it can refers to the parent class. So parent class, it means we have directly applied in this, in that the static keyword we are using the inheritance concept. So what is the inheritance concept? Inheritance concept, it means we have access the properties from a class A to class B, one class to another class, to extend all properties. So it means it means inheritance. So how to use in inheritance in Java? Suppose we have created the class A, and then we have created the class B. So class A is some various types of properties, and class B is to extend to class A. It means class B is to extend to all properties and features of class A. So it is a it is a use of inheritance. So what is a superclass? Superclass, it means superclass and then subclass. Superclass, it is a parent class, and subclass, it is a child class. So there are various types of uses in static keywords. First of all, static keywords, it is used to refers to instant variables. And then second use of the static keyword, we can using the calling to the parent class methods. And then third use of static keywords, we are using the parent class method using constructor to call. So it is a mainly using there are three uses in static keywords. So it is all over about the static keywords and these keywords. Thank you so much.